Yes, happy 18th birthday sa apo kong maganda. Happy birthday, Nicole. Birthday, mahirap kalimutan ng number ng birthday mo kasi lahat tayo ay isang number 26. Birthday ko March 26, si Papa mo June 26, si Colleen November 26, sa inyo October 26. So, lucky 26, no? Enjoy your day today and sana wish ko lang na magkaroon ka ng time na magkaroon ka ng vacation New Year. Kasama ka sa mga reunion ng mga pinsan mong Villegas. Kasi kakilala ka lahat nila since nung bata ka pa. Kilala ka nila dahil yung mga video mo pinapanood nila nung kumakanta ka pa at nagpapiano ka pa. Kilala ka nila. Isa ngayon hindi ka nila makakilala dahil dalaga ka na. And naglakihan na rin yung mga pinsan mong Villegas at mga iba pang mga pinsan-pinsan mo na nandito sa Pilipinas. Medyo matagal-tagal ka na sa Dubai, diyan ka na nagdalaga. Hopefully, magkaroon ka ng time makasama sa reunion every New Year. Binabati ka ni Lolo na mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo and happy 18th birthday. Bye.
Hello, Nicole. Happy 18th birthday to our beloved Apo. May your courage grow each day as you chase your dream. So proud of you. Thank you for being our pride and joy.
Happy birthday, Nicole. I hope you're always taking care of yourself and stay with your beliefs. Always enjoy every day with your family and know that we're always here to assist you with your dream and we're always proud of how you're working hard.
Dream big and work hard. We love you so much.